Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Tat Sat. It's a great pleasure to be able to join this online Gurukulam initiative of the Indian Yoga Association. Thanks to the COVID-19 pandemic, the whole world is going online, which means that we interact with one another, listen to discourses, get inspired through what is known as the virtual mode. Vedanta says the whole world itself is virtual. The name of virtual in Vedanta is Maya. Maya is not unreal, nor is it real. So the virtual is not completely unreal because you are seeing me, you are listening to me, you are feeling inspired. So it is not unreal, but it is not completely real. So the virtual mode is something which we are forced to in this COVID-19 pandemic. And Gurukulam means living in the proximity of the Guru to learn. This is ancient Bharatiya Sabhyata, Indian culture, spiritual tradition. The disciple approaches the Guru, lives with the Guru for nearly 14 years and learns. The inspiring character of the Guru is what impacts the student. Unfortunately, we don't have that privilege now, and we are trying to substitute it with online, the virtual mode. So the Indian Yoga Association has taken this initiative of online Gurukulam. Some people are asking me, this distance education, virtual mode of learning, how effective it is. Then I told them, one of the most effective ways of learning such a practical oriented art skill like archery was done in the ancient times by Ekalavya. We know the story of Ekalavya. He had an image of his guru who he considered as his master, Dronacharya, and in his divine presence, which he imagined, palpably realized within himself, he learned archery, became a master, even defeating Arjuna, who learned in the offline mode. So Ekalavya learning in the virtual mode, in the distance mode, and Arjuna learning in the offline physical mode, they match each other. In fact, Ekalavya exceeding even Arjuna. So it is not offline or online which really matters, it's the bhava, the feeling that you bring to bear upon what you learn really matters. So Indian Yoga Association, therefore, has launched this unique project called Online Gurukulam, trying to get certain sannyasis, acharyas, people who have been initiated in the scriptures earlier than the listeners, to communicate to the people, eager aspirants, seekers, about the various truths embedded in our scriptures. Indian Yoga Association itself is a unique synergy of all the various groups who are interested in yoga, cultivating yoga, promoting yoga, practicing yoga. It's very difficult to create a synergy among people in India. not only in India, in the whole world, because we always are individualistic in our temperament and behavior. Particularly in India, it is very difficult to make a group of people come together. And this association, Indian Yoga Association, has been successfully able to bring together under one umbrella all the various important yoga groups who are passionate about yoga, cultivating yoga, practicing yoga, teaching yoga, so that a synergy is created, and through this convergence of forces, we are sure that tremendous energy, yogic energy, will be released, which will transform the individual and collective consciousness of humanity. Welcome to this online yoga Gurukulam, online Gurukula, teaching yoga and Vedanta, an initiative which is unique, taken by the Indian Yoga Association.